This video shows how to make cappuccino using Gaggia Carezza Deluxe. First of all, we need to have our espresso. You can see our video on how to brew espresso in our channel. Let me press the steam button. The steam indicator starts blinking. You also notice that the boiler temperature is rising from coffee temperature to steam temperature. This Panarello design is helping to create thick foam on the milk. Basically, it draws air from the tiny hole and mix the air together with the milk. The indicator has turned on steadily now. This shows the machine has reached the steam temperature. Open the knob to dispense some hot water. When you see steam coming, close the knob. Now I'm going to place my milk pitcher and immerse the steam tip. I open the steam knob again. You can see the foam is building up quickly in the pitcher. If you do not want any more foam, you need to immerse the milk until this point to stop any air from being sucked in. Wait until it is sufficiently hot, which means the pitcher is uncomfortable to hold. I'm going to turn off the steam knob. Please remember to wipe and dispense some hot water to clean the steam knob. Pour the milk into the espresso. Here's our thick foam. And here's our cappuccino. If we are not steaming the next cup of milk, press the steam toggle button to cool down the machine to coffee temperature. If you want to reduce the temperature quickly, dispense some hot water . When this warning light is turned on, close the knob. And now it is ready to brew the next cup of espresso. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please help us to like this video by clicking on the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and see you again.